Happy Saturday, everyone. I'm meteorologist Denise Isaac. Thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. We start out with clear skies, a cold morning with sub-zero wind chills in some spots. Further to our north, if you're headed to Sault Ste. Marie, they are looking at some flurries, very light snow showers. If you're heading there for the snowmobile race, it will be cold, so bundle up. But we also have to bundle up here. We do start out with clear skies, but clouds will be on the increase this afternoon by 2 p.m. We're looking at partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies in some spots, mainly to our west, but it stays dry. By tonight, we will be cloudy, and that's when we start talking a 30% chance of snow showers. It's very light. Not many will accumulate at all. As you can see here, most of the activity stays north of M59 and accumulations less than half an inch. So it's not a major event, and it will happen mostly overnight. By tomorrow morning, we will be waking up to some light dusting of snow, and it won't really impact your plans for Super Bowl. Today we're talking 31, clouds on the increase. It will be chilly still and breezy also. Tonight 25, cloudy and a 30% chance for snow. Once again, very light in nature. By Monday we're talking 36, mostly cloudy, and as you can see, temperatures will be warming up into the low 40s by Tuesday. But what does that mean? Well, it means that Tuesday morning we could have the potential for freezing rain, switching over to rain, so a messy morning commute on Tuesday. And by Wednesday we're talking snow, windy conditions, so we could be seeing reduced visibilities in some spots, and temperatures cool down to end the work week. We're talking 29 on Friday.